Remove the weather strip above the fender. Remove all clips from the wheel arch liner. Take out the wheel arch liner. Remove the foot screws on the front bracket of the fender. Take out the bracket. Remove the inner filler piece of the fender. Remove the two inner screws of the fender. Remove the clips at the bottom of the side skirt. Remove the side skirt. Remove the lower bracket of the fender. Take out the bracket. Remove the fender mounting screw. Remove the fender mounting screw. Remove the fender mounting screw. Remove the three top mounting screws of the fender. Take off the fender. OEM fender removal complete. Now begin installation of carbon fiber fender. Remove the three plastic bases from the OEM fender. Install them in the corresponding positions on the carbon fiber fender. Use tools to sand the edges for easier installation. Carefully place the carbon fiber fender in position. Insert the three lower bases into the corresponding holes in the chassis. Install screws. Next, install the inner screws of the fender. Move the fender to adjust the outer gap. After adjusting the gap, install screws. After adjusting the gap, install screws. After adjusting the gap, install screws. Install the inner filler piece of the fender. Install the lower bracket of the fender. Install the side skirts. Install the bracket. After adjusting the gap, install screws. Install the wheel arch liner.